Question 15 is 3 marks. This is indices. The question says simplify fully. You can pause the video and try it yourself. A very important tip is whenever you see a negative power, flip these ones. So let's flip them. So this will be 10 a to the power of 7 c squared divided by 2a cubed. Flipping them will make the negative to be a positive, so it's now to the power of 3. That's very good. And then it's just simplifying and trying to make it smaller. Now what I will do is I'll first do 10 divided by 2, which is 5, and then a to the power of 7 divided by a to the power of 3. It's a to the power of 7 minus 3, isn't it? We subtract when it's division, and 7 minus 3 is 4, so I write 4, and then c squared all to the power of 3. Now the law of indices says if you have such thing, you split this power, you give each one of them a 3. Now the first part will be 5 to the power of 3, a to the power of 4 to the power of 3, c squared to the power of 3. So I split the 3, I give each one of these a 3. Now 5 to the power of 3 is 5 times 5 times 5, which is 125. This is calculator allowed, so you can just plug it in your calculator. A to the power of, if you have two indices, the law of indices says multiply them. So it's 4 times 3, which is 12. And finally, c to the power of 2 times 3, which is 6. And that's your easy peasy lemon squeezy 3 marks. Let's look at question 16.